Yo guys, welcome to another banging episode of Africa Rising. Today I want to talk about traditions and values and that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? For me, I just feel like it's different, for every nation and for every race group. You know what I mean? But when you look at it, when the Europeans come to Africa, they don't try to be like Africans. They don't try to act African. They don't try to be. They're proud of the heritage. You know what I mean? They're really proud of what they do, what they've achieved, and how they've done whatever they need to do. You know what I mean? So for me, I just feel like we also need to be on that same level where we are proud of who we are and what we have. You know what I'm saying? I just feel it different when people try to do things that are not them. You know what I mean? And it's sad, that we're losing our culture, our values, our traditions, the things that make us unique. You know what I mean? It feels like we're not proud to be who we are, who we were supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I just feel like that's sad. It's really sad. So I think we should go back to being ourselves, to how our ancestors and parents used to be. You know what I mean? Take that into consideration and take it to a higher level. I think the world has now come to appreciate Africa and the things that Africans have achieved thus far, especially like in the entertainment industry and in the fashion space. I think that alone has really given a boost to Africa. I think we should actually ride on that success that we do have at the moment. So we should ride on that momentum and keep it going, take it to the next level. I really feel like we could do something big with that, you know what I mean? And having said that, I think that a lot of things could change if we then decide that we could actually do something like create our own sphere that does not have to be, how can I put it, something like our own Hollywood, something like our own ecosystem, our own African ecosystem. You know what I mean? For me, I feel that would work. But if not, then I feel like there's a big difference, and it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work if we just rely on other people's stuff. You know what I mean? So we should create our own stuff, our own ecosystem from top to bottom. You know what I mean? And that would help a lot. So we don't have to migrate or immigrate. Just do everything in-house in Africa. You know what I mean? African recognition for everything that we do. So I think it all starts from the bottom with our value system, our traditions. We all go back to appreciating who we are and who we were meant to be. I think that would be a first step and a big step in the right direction if we did it that way. Sorry about the video. I'm trying this walking videos because I've seen them done, and I'm kind of like trying to think of changing the concept of having this thing that we just sitting on one spot. I'm gonna try something different. I want to see the look and feel of it. If I like it and I see the responses are positive towards it, then I think I'll be doing more of these outdoor videos, instead of just sitting on one spot and doing that. But having said that, I think, there's a conversation that I think we need to have as Africans of all diverse cultures, being proud of who we are as individual cultures, and then obviously as a collective. I really think that would help. I think that would be a big boost. And having said that, I think, yeah, man, we really need to move forward in that train of thought and then see what comes out on the other side if we really pull our resources together and operate as one unit. Let me know what you think down below. Holla.